Right, now for this question, it says here we're going to use this information. We're going to use this for the next 3 questions. And the information here says that the height of a rider on a Ferris wheel can be modeled by the sinusoidal regression function. Here we go. So h is equal to 6 sine of 1.05t minus 1.57 plus 8. Okay, there it is. Where h is the height of the rider above the ground in meters and t is the time in minutes after the ride starts. Okay, so that's what we're working from here for the next few questions. This first question says, according to the sinusoidal regression function, the maximum height of the rider above the ground is what? Okay, let's go back here and take a quick look at it. Now, what I need to remind you of is what the pieces represent here. The 6 up front here represents our amplitude. Okay, this is our B value here. Our B value is 1.05. Now, that's related to the period. Okay, the period of the graph. It isn't the period, it's related to the period. And D, okay, the D is 8 here. That's going to represent the median or the middle of the graph. Now what that means is here's our middle at 8 and the graph is going to fluctuate above and below that line, back and forth. And remember that it deviates from that line by an amount that we call the amplitude. So it's at 8, so here's 0 down here, we go up 8, that's the middle. And then the amplitude is going to be 6. So now just think about that. How do we get the highest value that we get to then? Well, it's going to be 8 plus 6. It's going to be 14. So let's look at our options here, and there we go right away. There's our first option, 14. That's the one that we're looking for.